Alright, I have done some research and figured out what I think is the best way to mount a headlight and a phone to your handlebars. Now, this is going to require that you are using a quad lock mount, which I highly recommend. It's probably the most solid phone mount that I've used. The piece that I'm installing now is the GoPro adapter that screws into the bottom of the quad lock mount. You're going to screw the GoPro adapter in, and then the next piece that we're going to install is a headlight adapter. So this is by Light. Since I'm using a Light Metro headlight, it basically is a GoPro mount adapter for the headlight. So that fits into the bottom of the quad lock GoPro adapter, screws in, and then we will be able to mount the headlight to that with just like a quick release motion. So this is the Light Metro. This is the 600 lumen version. And as you can see, it just slides in and clicks into place. And then tighten down that GoPro mount and you're good to go. There you can see just how easy it is to remove this and to reinstall it. And that's why I think this is the best way to mount a headlight to your bike. And then there's the best way to mount your phone. Quad lock case, clips into the top of the mount, headlight on the bottom, an easy all-in-one solution that doesn't take up too much space, it's secure. You're never going to have any issues with this falling off or anything like that. And you know, I've ridden with the quad lock mount and this headlight on over 50 miles of gravel so far as of recording this, and I've had no issues with any of it. The headlight hasn't moved at all. The quad lock has been perfect, and it's just been such a perfect integrated solution. I love finding little things like this where you can put together some kind of system that works, and you know, it's just super clean looking. So, and here you can see just how unobtrusive it is and how great it looks on the bike. I think it just looks so good on there. It doesn't look out of place at all. It doesn't command the bars in any way. I just think it's a great system. Alright guys, links will be in the description for all of these different parts that I've used. They are Amazon affiliate links. I just started doing this and trying that out. So if you guys use those links, I'd really appreciate it. And thanks for watching.